Your customers are already asking about your products in your Instagram DMs. Right now, probably. An Instagram chatbot means those questions get answered instantly instead of sitting unread for hours. In this video, I'll show you how to build one from scratch, using an apparel brand as our example, and deploy it live. Let's get into it. Log into your Wotnot dashboard and head to the bot builder. Since this bot needs to respond to customers messaging in, click Build a Bot and select Build an Inbound Bot. Then choose Instagram as your channel. At this point, Wotnot gives you a few ready-made templates you can start from DOS, but to show you exactly how the logic works, we'll build this one from scratch. First, the trigger block. Here, you connect it to the Instagram account you'll be using. Once connected, any incoming DM to that account will trigger this bot. Right after the trigger, add an AI agent block. First, we write the prompt. This defines the agent's role and boundaries. It should cover the agent's persona as a shopping assistant for Northline apparel. Its tone, warm and helpful. Its response style, and a guardrail to never invent product details that aren't in the catalog. I've written an example here you can adapt for your own business. Right below that, set up one exit path. Name it Ready to Order. In the description, list what should trigger it. The customer says something like, I want to buy this, or how do I order? Basically, any clear purchase intent. Now, set the required variables on this exit path to product, size, color, quantity, and email. That way, your team has everything they need to actually fulfill the order, not just a name to contact. Since most of our products come in multiple sizes and colors, we need to know exactly which one the customer wants, not just which product. The AI agent naturally asks for these in conversation once purchase intent is detected. It already knows the Instagram handle automatically, since every DM comes in tagged with the customer's profile, so that part doesn't need to be asked. Finally, connect the AI agent block to a knowledge base. Upload your product catalog, sizing chart, shipping policy, and return policy here, and this is important. Make sure each product entry in your catalog includes its own direct link. That's what lets the AI agent share the correct product page when it answers, instead of one generic link that might send someone to the wrong item or a dead page. Once that exit path fires with product, size, color, quantity, and email collected, add a Google Sheets block. I'll rename it Log Order Request and map the customer's Instagram handle, product, size, color, quantity, and email into a new row. Now your team has everything they need to actually fulfill the order, not just a name in a list. Finally, add a message block renamed Confirmation. Thanks. I've noted you'd like quantity of product in size/color. I've passed this along to our team, and you'll get a follow-up shortly to complete your order. That's the whole flow. It ends automatically right after this message sends. Now let's deploy this. Go to Settings, then Channels, and select Instagram. Click Connect, and you'll be asked to log into Instagram and grant the required permissions. Once you do, it'll show you the business accounts linked to your profile to choose from. We've got a full dedicated video walking through that entire setup in more detail, including the Facebook business linking. Links up above and in the description if you want the deeper dive. For now, once your account's connected, open your bot and go to the trigger block. And from the drop-down, set the trigger to the Instagram account you've got linked. Finally, just click Deploy and toggle the bot on. Once enabled, it's live and ready to respond to DMs. Let's test it. I'll DM the account from my phone and ask, do you have the Ridgeline pullover hoodie in size large? There's the AI agent's answer, straight from the catalog, including the direct link to that exact product. Now let's say, I want to buy this. It confirms the product, checks the size and color I want, asks how many, then asks for my email, logs the full order request, and sends a quick confirmation. And that's a working Instagram chatbot, live in minutes, no code required. One that answers real product questions and captures a warm lead the moment someone's ready to buy. This same structure works for any business selling on Instagram, not just apparel, beauty, home goods, food, you name it. Try it free at wotnot.io and let me know in the comments what flow you want to see built next.